Some days it's about getting in the Jeep and just going for a drive.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets.
Today, it's not about the destination, but the journey.
Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing.
When you're follically challenged like I am, you have to protect the dome from the rays.
There, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer.
On days like today, I'm happy to keep the Jeep in third gear and just let the world go by me.
When you head for your trip, right out of this wicked black and into bright sand, straight toward the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, whisper in my ear, make my troubles all disappear. Way on this wicked black, I'll feel the soft sand right under the warm sun in his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. When I get closer. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. When I get closer, will I get closer? Will I get closer?
In about 2 weeks' time, I'm off to the Catskill Mountains Jeep Jamboree. So in preparation for that, I'm testing my GoPros, my mounts, my batteries, and my camera positions. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you down the road.